Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change a price of your listing in Vinted. So what you'll need to do is basically go and click on your profile picture and go to your profile. After that, scroll down and you will see your item that is listed. So click on that one. And basically right here you can edit your listing. So let's click on that one. And if we scroll down, we can just choose a price right here, and you can choose that whatever you like to change that. And right here you will need to save it, as you can see, like this. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you change a price of your item. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.